Want faster, safer pay? Set up direct deposit with US Bank today. Direct deposit posts up to 2 days faster than paper checks. No paper checks to lose, fewer fraud risks, and secure bank transfers. Get paid even when you're out. No trips to the bank required. No stamps, no check fees, and fewer hassles overall. Here are 3 quick steps to enable it in your US Bank app. Step 1. Open the US Bank app and tap Profiles or Account Services. Step 2. Choose Direct Deposit or Payroll, then copy your account and routing numbers. Step 3. Share that info with your employer or payroll provider securely. Confirm with your employer and watch your first deposit arrive automatically. You'll get faster access to funds, enhanced security, and no paper clutter. Set up direct deposit in minutes. Open your app now and switch on Secure Instant Pay.